everyone, I'm Ian Fennelly and I want to tell you about my new online workshop that I put together for you with Studio56boutique.com. Now it's called the Cornwall Coastline Workshop Tour, and as the name suggests, what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to travel around the Cornish Peninsula and I'm going to visit 4 of the most stunningly beautiful harbours. The first one we go to is Mevagissey. And I stayed in Mevagissey about a month ago, and so I took lots and lots of photographs, and they're the images that we're going to be using as our reference material. So we start off at Mevagissey, which is on the southern coast, and then we go north to Port Isaac, which some of you might know as Port Wen, because that's where they filmed Doc Martin, and we do a workshop there. Then we go back down south again, and we go to Port Perro, which is just beautiful, and then we finish up at Port Lou. So there are 4 Cornish fishing villages that I'm going to be doing a workshop from. Now, what you're going to get to see me do is to break my process down into 5 distinct steps. So the first step, we sketch the outline, then we go with the medium shapes, then we put the colour on, then we put the tone on, and then we really go in deeply with the detail. And you'll get to see me working in real time. You can work alongside me. You'll get all the reference material. I'll explain everything, talk about my materials, my brushes, my colours, why I do what I get to do. So it's going to be super, super fun, a really good online learning experience for you. To subscribe, what you need to do is go on the Studio56boutique.com website, find the workshop section, click on the drop-down menu, and then when you go into it, you've got the choice. You can either subscribe to just one workshop, or at a discount, you can get all 4 of them. It is going to be super, super fun. It's an absolute labour of love for me, because Cornwall is the most beautiful place. And there's like nothing more fun than just going down there and doing workshops. So guys, I hope you can join me.